So now let's see how we can manage and work with teams inside of Trello. So I've already logged in onto my Trello account, and over here on the left side you can see teams. So if it's your first time creating a team, you can see the create team button there. And if you're creating more teams, then you have to click on the plus button right here. So once you click on the plus button, you can see that it says let's build a team, and you can add in a team name. So I'm going to add in a team name called Tutor Tube Project, just like this. And then you can choose the team type right here. It doesn't actually matter which one you choose, but if you choose it, then it is more distinct. You can also give a team description. So this, let's say for example, this is for a tutorial just like this. So once I click on that, I can click on continue right here, and then it goes on to the next page. And now over here, you can invite your team members. So you are as a team maker already in the team. So you just add in the team members who you want to invite right here. So I'm just going to add in TutorTube just like this, and click on TutorTube2, who I want to invite as a team member. So I'm just going to invite the team member, and then what you can do is click on invite to team just like this. So once you click on invite to team, what happens is that the team has been created just like this. And over here, you can also further add in details onto the team by going on to the edit team profile. So here's the TutorTube project. Team type is education. You can also add in a website which is related to the team, and press save to update that out. So you can also start off with a template right here, or you can create a new board. You can also close this off if you want to. Then now on the board, here are the boards, here are the members. Now, so you can see that two of us are the members here. You can go on to the settings to see what team settings you want to change, and this business class over here. So all of the tabs are here for you to start working around with this as well. So for this one, business class, you need to subscribe to a premium version of Trello. So now I'm going to go back onto board, and now let's create our board for the team. So if I were to click on create, now I can give a title to the board. So I'm just going to say this is team board just like this, team board, and I can choose a color. Let's say for example, I'm going to choose orange, and then you can choose the team right here. You can choose by default it's team. You can set this to private, so even if it is inside of the team boards, only you will be able to see it. And then you can also select public. So depending on what you want, you can just select this out. So let's just go to team and click on create board. You can also start with a template if you want to, but we are just going to go with the blank team board. So if I were to click on team board, what happens is that the board is created just like this. So you can also go over here and change the team if you want to. So you don't want to, let's say for example, assign it to this team, but for the next one, you can go on, change team, and choose the other team that are made as well. And that team will be able to access this board. You can also go to team visible just like this. So let's go back over here onto home, and you can see that under TutorTube project team board is here. And the one that we have been working around in the previous lessons, it's on the TutorTube board just like this. So we can go on to TutorTube project and add a new board from over here as well. So let's just click on new board. I'm just going to say team board 2 over here, and then I'm going to choose, let's say for example, the green background, and click on create board. By default, again, team visible is selected. Now I have two team boards right here, just like this. So now I got two team boards. So let's go to home just like this. And if I were to go on to this project, what happens is that I get this. I can also go over here onto all team boards, and I get onto the same section just like that. So this team is private. I got two boards. I can add in a new board over there as well. So let's add in another board as well. So I'm just going to say board 3 just like this. Team visible. Now this time let's start off with a template. So I can go around and select any template which is available over here. So it's loading out the template. And let's say I'm just going to go around and go on to the design template right here. So once I go to design, so let's say this is going to be a design sprint. So if I were to just click on that, let's see the templates right here. So for this, you can see that I can use the template just like that. So let's just use the template right over here, just like that. The title will be design sprint itself, and I can create this out and let's see what happens. So now it's creating the board with that particular template, and I have it under my team. So everything is here, as you can see. So if I were to go over here, you can see that it is set to private. I can just set it to teams, and I'm going to set it out onto the TutorTube project team right here, just like this. Make the board visible to team, just like that. So now if I were to go over here, I'll be able to access all of my team boards. So just like that, over here, I'll be able to access all of the boards right here as well, and through the teams as well, just like that. So now that is how you can create teams and collaborate with teams right here. So if I were to go to design, you can see that it's still private. Let me just change that out right here onto TutorTube project. Change this out. I forgot to change that out into the TutorTube project team. So if I were to go back on over here, I'll be able to see that out. So if I were to go over here, now you can see the team boards. So that is how you can work with teams inside of Trello. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.